Werewolves. Werewolves. Tatlo kayo, werewolves. 1, 2. Sa isa pa. Tatlo kayo eh. Okay, usap kayo kung sino yung gusto nyo
I didn't do this.
kainin. Decide who you want to eat.
I didn't do that.
Okay. Everyone close your eyes.
I didn't.
Doctor, please open your eyes.
No,
Doctor, open your eyes. Okay, doctor. They choose you. You want to treat yourself? Yes. Alright. Everyone close your eyes. Fortune teller, please open your eyes. Fortune teller, sige po. Turo po kayo kung sino yung gusto nyo makita ang kanyang role.
it's the last one.
Alright, everyone close your eyes.
Remember at the
Everyone close your eyes. Night, please open your eyes. Night, who's the night? Okay. Choose one person who you want to be immune. Alright, close your eyes.
In Auckland, it's time for another epic moment of the
Doctor. Okay na, no? Okay, everyone, open your eyes. You have 1 minute to decide.
Ay, ano daw? 1 minute to decide,
Ah,
guys.
1 minute.
Okay. Uy, mo na to?
Talk to the camera.
Ito na muna, oh.
Yay! Yay! Yoy! Yoy!
Huwag mong subukan.
Or do
Ikaw. Ang hinuhulaan ba dito is kung sino yung werewolf?
Oo.
Huwag mong subukan. Werewolf ka?
30 seconds.
Kita na, Ben.
Then!
Ben!
Ayusin nyo yung turo nyo.
Sige bulong yung isa eh. Sige bulong eh.
Turo nyo.
Alright, 10 seconds.
Or yung isa doon. Walang tumuturo doon, no?
10, 3, 2, 1. Zero. Okay, EJ, dalawa. Sino pong turo niyo?
I don't have a
Joy?
Joy, isa. Kayo po.
Ako si Ate Joy di sa akin.
Dalawa kay Ate Joy din.
Okay, isa lang. Sino po ate? Dalawa.
Tatlo kay Ate
Sa'yo.
Joy. Nakaturo si Ate.
Tatlo kay Joy.
O, tatlo din kay Kyla.
Apat si ano din oh.
O, apat kay, ano, kay Kyla.
Ayun pa kay Ate Joy oh. Ayun oh, ayun oh.
Kailan kay Kailan siya.
Kaya.
Kayong tatlo talagang tumuturo sa... Kayong tatlong yung tuturo.
Ilan kay Kayla?
Apat kay Kyla, tatlo kay Ate Joy.
Okay, so si
Yung
Kayla.
tatlong werewolf ang nagturo sa akin. Huwag mo kayong tiwala. Si Tisin nga! Kulit! Si Tisin nga kasi! Huwag nyo nang tutuloy! Si Tisin ako lagi si Tisin.
Okay.
Ang werewolf.
So anim na lang.
Alin na lang.
Bahala kayo.
Okay.
Kasi ang ano mo,
Siyempre,
Alam mo
pwede
siya
kang,
kasi tahimik.
pwede kang mag-ano eh, pwede kang magpanggap. Siyempre parang, malay mo, tinuturo mo siya, kaya inaano ka namin.
Okay, everyone close your eyes again.
Tinuturo nyo na. Ayaw nyo pang ano eh.
Close your eyes.
Guys, look, it's Roblox, our
Everyone
favorite
close
game
your
of the
eyes.
time.
Okay, yung tatlong werewolf, open your eyes. 3 werewolves, open your eyes. 3 werewolves. Tuloy niyo kung sino yung gusto niyo.